So if you're living on Earth's surface, you may or may not be aware that today's Yeezy Day, at least in North America. Tomorrow it's gonna hit Asia and Japan and shit, if I'm not mistaken. But today, we've been seeing Yeezy releases all throughout the morning, and luckily I was able to hit on one pair at least till this point. It's like 5:20 and I actually managed to cook up on a pair of Yeezys. I have a couple things I want to cover in this video, one of them being that there is a lot of releases happening today, so I may cop some more releases as the day continues. But I wanted to talk about the origin of Yeezy Day. I honestly thought that it was a day that Kanye decided, yo, let's give back to the people. Low-key, that's not what it is. But leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, because we got more content on the way. Low-key, I was gonna drop some other shit, but that's gonna have to be on hold for a little bit because we ended up hitting on some shit. So leave a like, subscribe, and let's get straight to it. So first things first, in order to get the sneakers, you gotta join in. So like I told y'all on that video a couple days ago, you gotta go ahead and get your ass up and enter in order to be able to win. So that's exactly what I did this morning. I entered for the 450s. That shit was a L. I saw a couple other pairs that did release, like some 350s with the white and the piss yellow on the stripe. I ain't even try for those, not gonna lie to y'all. There was also the super moon yellow 500s. We gravy on those. So I decided to sleep. Then I saw that the azaels came out. I'm like, yo, hold up. I practiced what I preached and I ended up entering for those. I'm like, bro, I need these shits. I remember when they first released and I remember actually wanting them, but I didn't go for them. This time around, I wasn't gonna sleep, so I decided to go ahead and enter. And hey, to your surprise, confirmed hit me up with a little notification. I hit the little thing, and as y'all can see, my order is confirmed. Yes, you heard it here first. I took my W on Yeezy Day so far. I don't know what else is gonna be dropping. There's rumored to be turtle doves later on tonight. If I hit on those, I might add that to this video. But so far, we did hit on the azaels. Let me know in the comments if you guys decided to skip on Yeezy Day. Did you decide to go for anything? And did you hit if you decided to go for anything? So that's what we got so far. The second part of this video is the origins behind Yeezy Day. So I'm gonna put the text that Kanye basically sent out. I'm gonna try to summarize it to the best of my ability. What he's basically saying is that Yeezy Day happened without Kanye's approval. They've been taking his team, so his designers and shit, the people that work on his sneakers, they're taking them and hiring them for ADIDAS, which is nuts. That's like me having a brand called NORI, coming in with my team like, yo, this is what I got, and then them taking your whole shit and saying, yo, let's work over here with it. You feel what I'm saying? Shit is crazy. I honestly thought this whole time that Yeezy Day was something that he put together to give more pairs to the people, but according to Kanye himself, this wasn't his approval, so they're bringing back old silhouettes and colorways that he never approved of, aka the turtle doves. I honestly don't know if he would have brought them back himself. Another interesting fact is at the end of the text, he said that Yeezy amounts to 68% of ADIDAS sales. That's fucking nuts, bro. So basically 68%, almost 70% of ADIDAS sales comes straight from Yeezy. So if Kanye was to leave ADIDAS, low-key they would be fucked. Like if Kanye went back to Nike, Nike would own the monopoly basically, because if you think about it, ADIDAS will only sell 30%. Plus Kanye already bringing his people toward Nike, ADIDAS will low-key be selling like 20%. But to sum it all up, Kanye didn't approve of Yeezy Day. Shout out to ADIDAS for these releases that we've been getting. This was not because of Ye. He also is saying that he was supposed to be working on some sneakers for Gap, and since ADIDAS has been pulling his designers and shit, they've been sabotaging his collaboration with Gap, which is kind of crazy. Let me know in the comments how y'all feel about that. I honestly wasn't expecting it. I was just expecting some cool releases today. Nothing from Ye, but this also might be to build more hype on it. Who knows, bro? But yeah, man, that's what I got for today so far. If I end up picking up anything else, I'll make sure to add it in this video. But leave a like on it. Comment down below if you decided to cop. Did you drop? Did you pick up anything, or did you take some L's? Just let me know what went on today for y'all. I hope you had a great rest of your day. Leave a like, subscribe, road to 20K. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.